In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Wix Spaces app to enhance your website's engagement and community interaction. Whether you're running a small business, blogging about your passions, or hosting events, utilizing Wix Spaces can dramatically extend how your audience interacts with your brand on mobile. First, we want to make sure your website has the Members feature enabled. This is crucial because it allows people to sign up and become part of your community. Without this step, potential members can't join or interact with your site's features. Having members functionality is key if you want an active and dynamic space. Also, consider activating additional features you might want to showcase on the Spaces app, such as your blog, events, or bookings. This way, your audience can fully engage with the content you're offering. Next up, let's enable Spaces for your site. Head to your Wix dashboard and navigate to the option labeled Sites and Apps. Here, you'll find Spaces by Wix, or something similar, depending on the latest interface updates. Enabling your site on Spaces allows it to gain a significant presence within the mobile app, widening your reach and making your content mobile-friendly, which is crucial in today's digital world. Now, let's move on to setting up how people can join or request to be a part of your site through the Spaces app. You have the flexibility to invite people directly, which can be incredibly useful when building a community of interest or launching to a specific group. Simply use invite links or codes. This method is particularly beneficial if you want a controlled introduction to your community, perhaps for exclusivity or quality assurance. Alternatively, you can allow people to find and request to join your site through the Spaces app. This is a more organic approach and could lead to broader exposure since users exploring the app might stumble upon your site. When they request to join, you have the control to vet these requests before granting access, ensuring your community stays relevant and engaged. By combining these steps, you can effectively bring your website alive on mobile through the Wix Spaces app. It's a fantastic way to boost involvement and maintain strong connections with your users, making interaction seamless and engaging. Remember, fostering a vibrant online community can significantly impact retention and loyalty. That wraps up our tutorial on using the Wix Spaces app. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. Don't forget to experiment with the invite methods to find what works best for your brand. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy building your online space.